Fantastic to be with you on Money Life. Proudly brought to you by Botswana Life. Because your future deserves more than just small talk. Yes, indeed, a very good morning to you. And of course, welcome to another episode of Money Life with Botswana Life. Today, we're talking about something that is so important along your financial planning journey. How do you choose the right financial partner to reach your financial goals? And even better yet, how do you choose the right product or service? It fits the stage of life that you are in. Botswana Life obviously has so many different products and services. So we're going to unpack them today. Which one fits you? And to help us unpack it, we have service supervisor in the studio from Botswana Life, Refilwe Majwabe. A very good morning to you, and thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Pichula. Thank you so much for having me this morning.
We're talking about something that is so important, especially how do you finance. How do you find the right partner? How do you choose the right institution or company to get to where you want to go? So let's start there. How, in fact, do you choose the right partner for the financial journey? And why is it so important to have the right person guide you?
Okay. So for me, choosing the right financial partner means working with an institution that understands your needs and supports you throughout your life stages, right? Not just selling a product. For me, it's about trust, consistency, and expertise. So we at Botswana Life, we have spent the past 50 years reberekisana le Batswana through their birth, education, careers, retirement, even times during even loss, right? So you want a partner who's gonna be able to grow with you. When you need them the most. So obviously there are different aspects that one needs to look at. We have maybe financial strength and stability being one of the most important ones. Now, we've been here for the past 50 years. That means we have the financial strength or the financial muscle to cushion your investments when the need arises, right? We can talk about maybe our claims history, of which, by the way, it is available on the official Onbifira website. So I'm just going to give you an example of how the past 5 years looks like in our claims books. We have paid around 331 million in terms of funeral claims to over 38,000 families in Botswana.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we have also paid around 311 million over life cover benefits, helping 350 families just in the previous 5 years.
I think we should just take a moment to applaud that and congratulate that journey.
Thank you. And there's more. We have also paid around 30 million in terms of loyalty benefits to around 18,000 Batswana out there. So these are just not statistics. That's what it looks like to choose to have the right partner. That is the right partner in action, right? Yeah. And then lastly, we at Botswana Life, we have a very great team of expertise, right? We have our in-house advisors that tailor-make solution for every client that we have. We have one of the most experienced actuarial teams in the country, which means we are able to design financially sound and sustainable products that deliver real value to our clients, both long-term and now.
And I love that you speak about the products that you have that help people get there. Maybe let's delve into it a little bit deeper because kana hangwe habatho ba akanya Botswana Life ba akanya funeral cover hela. There's so many products and services selling gore le nana tsoka ko Botswana Life. Maybe just take us through some of them. Botswana Life does more than just funeral cover.
Yes, of course. So in essence, Botswana Life is a long-term financial institution, right? So we have life covers. Our life covers come with an inbuilt 15 years of return of premiums. That is where we give back 120% of the money that you would have put into your sum assured. That is your life cover, right? And like Satsu Bwile, we also do have a range of funeral products. Ebile we just launched the first of its kind product ya rona ya Monkgogi.
Kgaina molekane ma.
Kgaina molekane. Monkgogi is a solution that does not only look at giving you a payout, ga o tlhokahaletse, right? It's a holistic plan that offers flexibility and value. And what's more is that, like our life covers, it also comes with a 15-year return of premium, where we give you 120% of what you have put in towards your covers. And then we also have investment products. Our investment products are there. We invest in different investment funds, both locally and internationally. That is, we try by all means to get the most in terms of financial returns. And then lastly, Botswana Life, we offer a range of retirement annuity, to ensure that you have an income even after retirement.
And this is way even after 65.
Yes.
Hey, you still have that retirement annuity, right?
Yes, you can be sure of a monthly income when you take out an annuity with us.
I love that's one of my faves. So how do you actually choose the right product for you, especially how libile all these offerings say o na le tsone? How do you make sure gore o choose e leng gore tota e lebagane le your needs?
Okay, so that's where our financial advisors come in. They will do what we call a needs analysis. These are conversations around the income that you have, your dependents, your long-term and short-term goals. So with that, we're able to tailor-make and provide you with the relevant product. So like I said, it's not really a one-size-fits-all. For a 25-year-old that is starting up here, is definitely going to have a different needs as opposed to a 45-year-old with family.
Yes.
Yeah.
And in closing, for someone who hasn't started this journey of financial planning, how should they start and why should they come to Botswana Life to start this financial journey?
Okay. So basically, Petula, numbers don't lie, okay? So we've been here for the past 50 years. So that is 50 years of delivering real value. That is 50 years of real payouts to real people. So with us, whether it's a cashback benefit, whether it's a funeral claim or a life cover support, we have proven that we are here when it matters the most. So when you choose Botswana Life, you're choosing stability, you're choosing trust, and mostly you're choosing commitment.
I love that. There's someone listening, they want to give Botswana Life a call right now. We believe they've been looking for these services. How can they get in touch with your team?
They can just call our contact center on 362-3700, or they can go to the official Botswana Life website. They can reach out. There's a little icon on the right. They can just click there. They will get in touch with one of our agents, or they can just visit the nearest Botswana Life branch.
Refilwe Majwabe, it's been a pleasure having you here, and I feel like a lot of people are going to bother you after this. Thank you so much for joining us in studio.
Thank you so much, Petula.
And there you have it. That's how we close off this week's episode of Money Life with Botswana Life. Understanding how you can start your financial planning journey, and of course, how Botswana Life can help you along. Make sure that you catch the next episode, and of course, watch all the past episodes on YouTube as well. Till next week, bye.
It's a wrap on Money Life. Proudly powered by Botswana Life. Turning every pula into purpose. Catch you next time.